Hello and welcome to AI Story Generator, an innovative and spectacular product from Books Giant. The story generator provides the child with inspiration by inventing the beginning of a story, then the child is invited to continue the story and add graphics to the book. In order to design the book, the child need to read and understand the story, so he can add graphics to fit the content. This is the story generator. It already chose a random style, character, and background for us. By clicking the Create a Story button, it will immediately invent a story with the selected settings. With this button we can determine whether it is a full story or just the start of a story. If it is a full story, we can also determine its approximate length in words. Let's change the story style to adventure. We will change to a lion and add a dragon. Here we can name the character. We choose a location for the plot. We can give a name to the location. For example, a city, Paris. We can add our own idea to the story. For example, the dragon met a lion and they became the best friends. Note, you can create a story on any subject, for example an educational story such as the adventures of Christopher Columbus or Genghis Khan. When we are ready we will click on Create a Story. You didn't like it? Clicking this button will create a new version. This button will cancel and return to the generator. If you like it, create an ebook by clicking this button. The book will open in a new window. If you are not a registered user, you should register with this button in order to edit the book. If you are already registered, you can edit the book by clicking this button. This is the book editor. Here you can add graphics and change or add text. On the right side you can see the pages, in the center the canvas, and on the left side are the images, backgrounds, drawing and writing tools. First go to the Images in My Book category. Here we will find the characters and backgrounds we have chosen. By clicking this button we can change the character. A large library of items and backgrounds is at your disposal. We can change backgrounds here. Here we have drawing tools. And here is the text editor. We can choose a font, color, size and change the story or add our text to it. The blue plus button allows us to add special things such as recording a YouTube video, links, uploading our images and search for images online. Let's record an example. It is highly recommended to let the children read their story to improve their reading skills and pronunciation. Now, let's view the book. No need to save. Just click here. Now you can flip through the book using the arrows. You can also pull pages like in a real book. If we recorded a voice, click here to hear it. Clicking here will automatically read all the recorded voices and flip the pages for us. Pressing here will take us back to the editor. Here we can share the book anywhere, WhatsApp, Facebook or email. This button can open up Immersive Reader, a Microsoft feature which reads the story in a way that helps children with reading difficulties. Let's go to the main menu. Under My Books menu, you will see all the books you have created. This button will let you create a new book without AI, that is, with the intelligence of the child. Don't forget to let the child invent stories by himself. You will be amazed from the stories they can invent. Clicking on the sharing button on the book will open up a sharing menu where you can get a link to the book or download it as a printable high-quality PDF. When you want to return to the story generator, just click here. Simple, isn't it? Now it's time to write something. I hope you and your child will create many beautiful and creative stories. Books Giant. Every kid has a story.